A crypto analyst just came out and gave Ethereum a $100,000 price target within a couple of years. And it wasn't just they threw this number out there, they actually backed it up with some solid, concrete data. So they said, first of all, Ethereum's going to hit $10,000 next, and they think that's going to happen very, very soon within the next couple of months by the end of 2021. And this is important because they have had a very, very strong track record. Megan Casper, the co-founder of the digital asset investment company Magnetic, previously had come out and said earlier in the year that Ethereum would hit mid $3,000 level within a couple of months. They were predicting this massive spike when Ethereum was just around $1,000 per coin. Everyone thought they were crazy. They said, that's impossible. It can't go up 3-4x in a matter of a couple of months, but it happened. In addition to this, back a year ago, they had predicted that Bitcoin would hit $62,968 in a particular week in 2021. They predicted it would happen in April of 2021, and it hit that exact number when they predicted. You can see on Twitter, they came out, they showed screenshots of their predictions a year ago. They predicted that back in August of 2020 in their investor letters, and they predicted the exact price that it would hit. So this is a company that has had a very strong track record. So for that reason, that's why I wanted to go over what they're saying, because, it's not just a random person. They have consistently predicted very accurate numbers in terms of what Bitcoin and Ethereum would hit. So right now, what they're explaining, Megan Casper, the co-founder of the company Magnetic, they said right now there are a couple shifts happening with Ethereum that are going to drive the price even higher. So first of all, they said the network is planning to shift away from the proof of work method that Bitcoin uses to confirm transactions to one that consumes far less energy, which is proof of stake. And they said, unlike Bitcoin's proof of work, which rewards miners who are competing against each other to use computers and energy to record and confirm transactions on the blockchain, Ethereum plans to adopt proof of stake, which chooses a block validator at random based on how much Ether costs. And they said this is really, really important, not just for the method that they're using, but it's important because it reduces carbon emissions by 99.9%, which makes Ethereum essentially a green technology. And that's one of the major concerns among investment banks, among many people, among the government about cryptocurrency in general. They're saying Bitcoin consumes so much energy in order to mine. It is terrible for the environment. So with this shift from proof of work to proof of stake, it's going to reduce carbon emissions by 99.9%. And they said that alone is going to attract a lot of institutional investors and drive the price of Ethereum up to $10,000 per coin this year, they're predicting. In addition to this, they're saying decentralized finance applications, which allow users to essentially earn yield on their crypto assets, similar to the way a traditional bank would do it. They said this has seen an explosion over the last 6 to 12 months. They said $10 billion was used on the platform in September of 2020. Now that has gone up over sixfold to $65 billion as of April 2021. And they're saying as these changes are implemented with ETH 2.0, there's going to be a lot more institutional interest in investing in Ethereum. Right now, most institutions, if they're looking for a crypto investment, they're either investing in Coinbase or they're investing directly into Bitcoin. So now by having these couple of changes, making Ethereum basically a green energy company, a green technology, that is going to attract a lot of institutional investors because institutions, they have a lot of mandates in place that require them to invest in clean, green energy technologies. And that's what Ethereum is becoming. With these shifts with ETH 2.0, it's going to become a green technology company. And unfortunately, Bitcoin isn't planning on moving away from proof of work anytime soon. So unless they decide to all of a sudden switch, well, Ethereum, between all of their use cases with decentralized finance, between now being and becoming a green technology company, that is going to attract institutional investors. And that is what they're saying could propel Ethereum to $100,000 per coin in years to come, because they said, really, Ethereum, it is has infinitely more potential than Bitcoin in terms of where it can go, because Bitcoin is just a digital gold. It's a store of value. Ethereum has all these use cases with smart contracts, with decentralized finance applications, and it actually has a lot of use cases. And in addition to this being a green technology company, that could propel the price of Ethereum up to $100,000 per coin in years to come.